Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'll talk about scholarship opportunities at University of Alberta, the Faculty of Graduate and Postdoctoral Studies. So this university is located in Canada, one-year Canada Graduate Scholarships. Before we discuss further on this web page, I have summarized all the details in this Word file. Okay, you can take a look. University of Alberta one-year graduate scholarship in Canada 2025 step-by-step process. The University of Alberta one-year graduate scholarship is one of the one-year scholarships sponsored by the Government of Canada for international students to study in Canada. The University of Alberta one-year scholarship is awarded at $50,000 a year for 3 years, making a one-year one of the Canada's most prestigious graduate award. Now, University of Alberta one-year graduate scholarship summary. Host country is Canada. You will study in Canada. The categories of scholarship are postgraduate scholarship and PhD scholarship. All countries are eligible to apply. What is the grant value? The grant value is 50,000 grant, okay? And no IELTS is required. Deadline is 5 September 2025. If you want to receive scholarship notifications, then you can join our WhatsApp group. I have added the link in the description. University of Alberta one-year graduate scholarship details. If you want to hear the scholarship videos, then you can also subscribe to YouTube channel so that you can get the notification on YouTube. Okay, so University of Alberta one-year graduate scholarship details. The Government of Canada launched one-year Canada Graduate Scholarship Program in 2008 to strengthen the Canada ability to attract and attain world-class doctoral students. Okay. The one-year scholarship named in honor of former Governor General George Vanier, statesman and hero. The one-year CGS program is administered by Vanier Benting Secretariats Housing within CIHR on behalf of Canada's 3 granting agencies. Okay, so these are the granting agencies who are providing you the scholarship: Canadian Institute of Health Research, Natural Sciences and Engineering Research Council, and Social Sciences and Humanities Research Council. So what are the requirements? The eligibility requirements for University of Alberta one-year scholarship: be enrolled in full-time doctoral program no later than to January 2026. Be nominated by only one Canadian institution. Be pursuing first doctoral degree, including joint programs such as MD, PhD, okay, if it has a demonstrated and significant research component. Intended to pursue the summer semester or academic year following announcement result full doctoral or joint doctoral research programs such as MD, PhD, okay, studies and research at nominating institution for joint graduate research program. Only the PhD portion of the program is eligible for funding. Have completed no more than 20 months of full-time study in doctoral program as of May 1, 2025. So these are the requirements which you need to take a look carefully, okay? And if you don't understand any point, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll respond to your queries. Here they mention that have achieved a first class average GPA of at least 3.5 of U or H grading scale in each of the 2 years of full-time study. Not hold or have held a doctoral level scholarship or fellowship from SIHR, NSERC or SSRCS to undertake or complete a doctoral program. Applicant who self-identify as indigenous, First Nation, okay, are highly encouraged to apply. The UNA may, University of Alberta, okay, may nominate the applicant who wish to self-identify as indigenous, with these nomination being counted towards the university quota. Now benefits. If you come to benefits, the University of Alberta one-year graduate scholarship will awarded at $50,000 a year for 3 years, making a Vanier is one of the Canada's most prestigious graduate award. How you can apply? So now we come to this web page. Here you can see that Vanier Canada Graduate Scholarships. They mention all those details which we have summarized in our Word file, but here they have mentioned in detail. So the award value is 50,000 a year. Eligibility we have discussed in detail in Word file. You can also take a look here. And application procedure. Now, the direct application where student may apply through Vanier online portal research.net. Application do not meet all of application that do not meet all of the eligibility criteria will be deemed ineligible. Okay, so you can take a look here. Relevant documents, your CV, abstract, research proposal, project references, transcripts are needed to be uploaded. Here, Vanier online application instructions, you can take a look here, and to complete you can click here. Okay, so this is the application instructions which they have mentioned very like in deep detail. You can take a look here. This is the deadline and you will get the notification in April 2025. Okay, they have mentioned all the details in very deep detail. Okay, if you don't understand any point you can ask me in the comment section. Here you need to submit your application. Okay, in English, then click English and proceed your application. These are the documents which you need to submit. Okay, this is the general application process. For deadlines, that there are two deadlines. Okay, program deadline is CGS program by October 30, 2024. So after you will check all these details, application process, then nomination of procedure, timeline and deadline, award acceptance, award renewal. So you can take a look all these details, and if you don't understand anything you can ask me in the comment section. We have discussed all the process like what is the eligibility criteria, how you can apply, what is the coverage of the scholarship, for is this scholarship is for bachelor, master, PhD students. All these details have been covered in this video. Still, if you have any question you can ask me in the comment section and I respond to your queries. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you want to hear more about scholarship videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye bye.